Welcome to our demonstration of the most efficient traffic shaping solutions for publishers, designed to optimize bid requests, reduce carbon, and supercharge your efficiency. You will be empowered to elevate your auction results by reducing SSP throttling through bid request optimization, thanks to intelligent matchmaking. Let's dive right in. First, it is important to mention that the traffic shaping solution for publishers is one of the multiple yield optimization solutions from Assertive Yield, which uses highly optimized machine learning to optimize publishers' revenue. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. As you can see, the layout is clean and user-friendly, ensuring a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you are aiming to optimize global auction results or efficiency in terms of green media, traffic shaping for publishers provides all the tools you need right at your fingertips. By predicting the demand situation for each bidder, auction, placement, and user in real time, AY matches at opportunities to the right demand partners within microseconds. With traffic shaping solution for publishers, you can effortlessly optimize global user monetization. No longer worry about which bidders should be active in what markets. The system automatically matches it beyond human capabilities. Less carbon emissions with higher quality traffic by reducing digital waste by up to 60%. Say goodbye to empty auctions and digital waste. An additional advantage lies in strengthening your relationships with SSPs by offering them higher quality inventory through precision-targeted traffic, fostering better collaboration with your demand partners. From boosting your auction's overall revenue to experiencing less throttling, AY's traffic shaping solution for publishers puts you in control so you can work where you want to thrive with optimized demand paths. Ready to revolutionize the way you monetize? Try AY's traffic shaping solution for publishers today and experience the difference for yourself. Now, let's see how traffic shaping solution for publisher solution streamlines smart bid request reduction from start to finish.